This is Minty. And I'm super excited to show you guys all that we've done. It is an exciting car for me because I've been looking for this for feels like forever. It's been over 10 years that I really wanted to find it, the Nissan Figaro. But when we got this car, I've been sitting and it hadn't had a really good detail. You might be asking why the seats are sitting right here. You gotta stay tuned for part 2 where we're gonna do the full interior. We did some quick cleanups, but we're gonna do some full modifications, so we'll show you that as well. Upgrading Minty a little bit, but also cleaning up everything that's on the inside.
When you had first gotten this car, what work did you automatically think of having done?
Well, clearly, because we're here at Chemical Guys, I was like, we need to clean this up. We gotta give it the paint and everything some love. Most people, you would look at it and it looked great, but it had never been polished. It hadn't had a clay bar. Of course, cleaning is fun for us, and so I was excited to clean it first. That's the first thing I wanted to do, after driving it, of course. And so we start off by wiping it down. You'd want to use like a waterless wash. We wanted to just wipe it down because it wasn't that dirty. And waterless washes work really great because you can still use it when it's indoors, which is where we have the car. Wipe it down, the towel, spray it on. It's great, easy. And the reason we did that is because we wanted to get it prepared for what comes next, which is the clay bar. We use the OG medium duty. Usually when you're clay barring, you want to start off with something that's in the middle. Don't go too aggressive or don't go too light. If you can start in the middle, and from there you can always decide whether you're going to go up or down. We clayed the whole surface. Usually when you need to clay your car, it's very easy to understand if you need to, because one, the car hadn't been washed in a long time, so we know for sure it needed a clean. But if you're not sure, you can always just wipe it down, touch it with your hand, you can feel how rough it is. And so clay barring will take out all of those contaminants. It's going to take out any of the debris and stuff that's stuck on there. We used the torque polisher, and we were going to use a 2-step on this. We're going to cut and polish. So we use the compound. We're using the Insynchro line. We had to use different pads also, because remember, Minty has a lot of different angles, and so we used a 5-inch pad and also we used a 3-inch. And when you're cutting, you want to use that to take out the surface imperfections of any scratches, swirls, and oxidation in the paint. Decided to do a second step, which is the polish, and that's going to refine it. If you paired your torque polisher with the white Hex Logic pad and put that with the polish, you're going to get a better refine. And so as you can see right here, it looks insane. And this is like the perfect thing to look at. Look at that left before and the after. You can just totally see the difference, and it really brought out the color of the paint. I gave it a little bit wipe down. I used our new Raging Rhino Smart 1 all-in-one exterior solution just to give it that great protection. And then what I did from there, I got nonsense and I wanted to clean up some surfaces because I was going to take it for a ride. And I used our new gel cell because we got to get it smelling fresh. Stay tuned for part 2 where we do the interior.